Step into the 2013 Honda Odyssey. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, heated seats, fully automatic headlights, a power rear cargo door, and remote keyless entry. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.